9 years and stronger than ever ang kapuso couple na sina Gabby Garcia at Khalil Ramos. Featured sila sa isang magazine cover at nagbahagi pa ng ilang tips kung paano mapanatili ang kilig sa long-term relationship. Makichika kay Nelson Canlas.
Kilig alert! After a few years, ngayon lang uli nagsama sa isang magazine cover ang real and real-life kapuso couple na sina Gabby Garcia at Khalil Ramos. Hindi pa nga nakakaget over ang fans and friends sa gulat at kilig nang mapanood sila sa tila makatotohanang wedding scene sa latest music video ng Ben and Ben. Sa bagong cover shoot, extra sweet ang dalawa at lutang na lutang daw ang totoo nilang personalities sa bawat layout. Sa aming kwentuhan behind the scenes ng shoot, nag-share ang Gabriel ng kanilang views on how to make a relationship sweeter as the years go by.
Siyempre, 9 years, hindi siya madali. Diba? It's not a walk in the park. Marami kami pinagdaanan and this is a relationship that we're proud that we have built and successfully, I think, really successfully built together. Because from day one, we had an understanding that we want to be in this for the long run.
At saka I feel like it's also being intentional about our actions as individuals and also as a couple. Kasi nasa sa amin talaga if we really want to prolong the relationship. And yun, we were really intentional on keeping it long and stable kasi we really want to choose each other every day.
Bukod sa respect and understanding, hindi raw dapat nawawala ang pagpapakilig sa isa't isa.
Ito super ma-effort to. He's one of his love languages talaga yung aalagaan ka and mag-e-effort siya. He will really make time.
We see to it pa rin na we get to celebrate either before or after. At least we get to celebrate pa rin the occasion. Kami ni Gab, we love celebrating occasions. We make it a point na we really want to invest effort and time into creating these memories for the both of us. And it's our 8th Valentine's now.
Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.